In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your vertical monitor in Windows 11. First of all, you would like to ensure that your vertical monitor is connected to your PC. Now, just go to your desktop, right-click, and click on Display Settings. So, as an example, I do have my two monitors right here. Let's say the second monitor is the monitor that you set it up as vertical. So all you need to do, just go and make sure that you're selecting this one. If you're selecting one, make sure to select the second one. And what you'll have to do is simply scroll down until this display orientation. So here normally you should find landscape. All you need to do, just go and choose portrait. Once you choose portrait, make sure to go and click on keep changes and you'll find your desktop is switched. So if you want to get this back, always just go back and click on landscape. And for me, I'm just going to show you here in my main monitor so you'll be able to see it. So as an example, if I go and choose portrait, here's it. It's got switched. But for you, as an example, you will not be able to notice the difference because I'm recording, I guess, with OBS. So it will show you like half of the screen. So for me, I want just to click on revert. Okay, it reverts it automatically once I didn't click on revert changes or keep changes. And here we are. So all you need to do, just go to landscape and make it portrait and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.